keep hearing a really creepy noise outside of my window. So Kyle's checking it out for me because he's so brave or stupid, I'm not sure which. Good morning, guys. Let's go get the baby. She slept in her new crib arrangement. She seemed quite happy, although I'm sure she wished she could get out. Good morning. Good morning. You're the best. Alright, she wouldn't really eat much in her chair. So, she's eating here, occasionally dancing to the music. She comes coming over and asking for bites. You're getting a bath after this, little one. You're actually not making much of a mess, but you're dirty anyway, huh? She's eating oatmeal. Trying to catch her on camera. She keeps coming in and saying, bite, bite. Bite? We got a bubble bath baby going on. Alright, y'all, we are at Target. I was just wearing Audrey, but she had wanted none of that. None of that. She wanted down. I thought she would sleep, but no. It's just us girls. Sophie, did you know there's like a whole subculture where people do different poses on these balls? They call it Target balling. Here, come on this side, honey, so you're not by the street. Here, there's one more. There's one more down here, so we can keep walking towards the car. Always a mighty adventure when you're shopping with Audrey. We hung in there, found her a cookie at the bakery, and she was thrilled. That saved the day. Woo! Oh, you be careful. Oh. Okay. Good job. Alright, we're having our dinner. We've got green beans because it's St. Patrick's Day.
Oh, I see what you did there.
You see what I did there? Oh, I like how Audrey puts some food on the fork and then puts the fork in her mouth.
Chicken's so good, Mama.
The chicken's so good. I'm glad you like it. Hey.
Hey.
I like your green.
Thank you.
I stole a green shirt from you.
That shirt looks nice.
I was wearing another green shirt earlier, but I changed into a t-shirt. So y'all, I'm exhausted dealing with Audrey, any 1-year-old, day in and day out. It just wears me out. I have no safe place to put her. It feels like it's hard. It is hard. We broke down and bought another gate. I think I told you guys that. So he made like basically like a playpen. I didn't want it to come to that, but we had to because again, no safe place to put her if I, have to run downstairs or go potty or do something. Yeah, it's not that big. I think I might need the extensions. I keep hearing a really creepy noise outside of my window. So Kyle's checking it out for me because he's so brave or stupid, I'm not sure which. He's getting a flashlight. You can't see it with your man night vision. He said that's not how man vision works. They probably, whatever it was, probably went away when we opened the door. Go make sure, I'm not kidding, it might have hurt the screen. It was right by my head and scary. You think it was that weed? Look right on my window. See if there's any like weird screen things.
I don't see anything, but
Okay.
there's lizards that live right over here.
Maybe it was just a really like fat lizard. It just sounded so loud.
That lives over here is doing pretty well for himself. Want to play a game or something?
No, honey, it was like, I mean, it was like shaking it. It was something was there.
Shaking the screen?
Yeah. That's why I was like, and I seriously, it was enough that I was nervous to look. Because I was like, something's definitely there. It was creeping me out.
Is there a lizard or a bird attacking a lizard maybe or something?
Yeah. I bet it was just something like that, and it just sounded so loud because the screen, you know what I mean? Right by my head from the window. Ah! I meant to turn off the light. Okay, thanks, hon. So that was kind of creeping me out. All right, so to those of you who've requested the oh my gosh, I've been having the worst under eye makeup. It's because I've been wearing non-waterproof mascara. Some of you who requested the bedtime, the nighttime routine video, I'm doing that video right now to put up. Finally. I know, it took me forever. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, well, hopefully whatever friend was next to me outside of there is gone, and I will talk to everybody tomorrow. Night, guys. All right, guys, I found out what it is. It's June bugs. I can't, now of course it's gone. You see my reflection. It's June bugs, y'all, but like a lot of them. There's one. You can see it. It's hard to focus because it sees my reflection. Oh, but anyway. There. Ew, I hate June bugs, y'all. They're harmless, but I don't like them. Anyway, it was tons of them though, like, so it would make this loud noise.